It's okay. Here we are again. The radiator fuel is boiling. We only got to drive maybe 1 hour, then started, then we stopped, we let it cool down, we moved on. And yesterday it started with 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we had to stop. And it unloaded all the radiator fuel. It was boiling and it dropped it all. We needed to be fixed before we go into the Pantanal, because Pantanal will be even warmer. Wow, it's really hot out here. And I had to take a hotel today. The car is at a repair shop right up there. Car is having a head gasket change. It was overheating. It's a big cost this time. Let's just dream about it and then forget about it once we're on the road again. Self-service, 38 reais. Somebody had to do it. It was me. Oh, exciting news. Or at least for me. They are taking out the engine. My car! Whoosh! Wow, beautiful. Yeah. Ah, so there. Okay.
Blanca, learn to say that up.
Vou deixar ele montar.
We're in this small city. Oh. Oh. Check this though out. Everything that a man needs for his grill party. Wow, they simply have everything. Opa, tudo bem? Muito bom, Tocha.
Pode ir.
The smoke was just oil burning, this kind of stuff. All right, status. We ended up staying here in the weekend. It's Friday. Tomorrow there is a fishing competition. Should be a huge showdown. One of the guys from the shop are going there. I guess there's more. So we're gonna go there tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. It's gonna... Monster and I, we made it. We are at the fishing competition, I think. Bom dia. We are at the border at Brazil and Paraguay. Paraná River, as I understand it. And it divides the two countries. Okay, now that's a motorhome. Bom dia! Yeah, we're back at the fishing competition. This is the morning, Sunday morning.
We call churrasco.
Churrasco, isso.
Costela.
Costela. Ah, Costela. This one here, ribs.
Yes, ribs.
The ribs. It's not only a fishing competition, it's also a competition of grilling the best meat, best carne, the ribs. Take a look here. These ribs will be here for 4 to 5 hours, approximately. And there's many different teams. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, take a look at this meat. This ribs.
Essa chama costela no tambor.
Muito bom. Cowboy.
Quanto deu? 67. Valeu, brigadão.
Aê!
Oh yeah. Zoom out. Wow, that was good. Everybody's testing all of the things. That's the best part. Wow. Look at all those ribs.
Eu acho que tem que ser esse, ó. Ou pode ser esse.
Vamos caçar, Vamos ver.
Wow, probably the best grill party here in Brazil I've been at. The first one.
The first
The first one.
The first one, this. The second one, here.
This. Okay.
Sofia, namoro oficial com aliança.
Oh yeah.
Tem 2 pontos para
Good day.
Recepção, tá? Vamos servir esse chão aí, essa é fogo no chão.
I ate so much meat. It was great. Look at this. We're back. Thank you. Me and Blanca Beast are back in business. Yay! Just shopped a little bit, but we are back. We're back into making videos. We're back into going towards Pantanal. Pantanal, here we come. Only 11 hours. So thank you so much for making my car. Thank you from Blanca Beast. Obrigado. Muito obrigado. We are in Mato Grosso. Crossed the line yesterday between Paraná and Mato Grosso. We are on the way to Pantanal. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Right now, we are on the way to a city called Bonito. Bonito, here in Mato Grosso, should be a very beautiful place. I just read something about it. People are telling me about it. Estrela do Formoso. This is where we're going. Star of the Beautiful. It should be a really beautiful place. Should be able to swim. Crystal clear waters. We're here at number 1, the reception. There's the restaurant. There's more camarotes. Pays 150 ice for each of those. And you can swim around. Let's enter. Let's go take a shower first. They have showers and bathrooms here. You can rent these small boats and paddle around. Let's go in. It's freaking cold. Let's sit here just for a second or two. Jesus Christ, it's cold. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. That's it for me. Going to the car. It's been an awesome day. Very nice people here. This is the place we are. We are in Cowboy land. We are farmers here. This is Cowboy land. What's Archie? To the bang. Bom.
Tá passeando?
These are lassos to catch horses or cows? Horse to catch horses. So the hat starts from 489 reais. I know. I thought we were like, hey, let's get one for fun. Let's not get one for fun. That's kind of a lot of money. We got a 5-liter water cooler. Before we just had these. They did a very good job. It should be a hat like this. Check this out. Huh? You like that? Should be. No? Yes?